The BimlFlex utility application provides a few features not yet integrated into Biml Studio. It allows deployment and updates of BimlFlex database definitions. It allows updating BimlFlex bundle files used in projects, and it allows saving project metadata from database to file in case it needs to be sent to Verigens for debugging purposes. We first define the connection information to the SQL Server database engine we want to use. This includes the address and security information using either integrated security or a SQL login account password for access. We can also choose to use custom names for the Flex metadata database and the catalog orchestration and auditing database. Once the connectivity information is updated, we deploy the database from the Deploy DACPack tab. We choose here to deploy both databases to the server. The initial deployment creates the databases and deploys the default contents. The tool uses a standard SQL Server DACPack deployment process. Once the deployment is completed successfully, the databases will be available for BimlFlex to use. The default bundle version included in the BimlFlex installation will also need to be updated. The Deploy Bundle tab allows us to copy the bundle file to the installation folders so that new projects are created using the latest version. Should there be already created projects, the tool can also search for and replace the bundle files in the paths specified. Writing to the installation folders requires administrative privileges.